You gotta check out these awesome deals I wrote for you this week. I have 10 $10 and under deals that you can do this Saturday, February 11th at Dollar General. Hi, my name is Mandy, the creator of LoveLiveSave, helping you to save money with easy coupon tips every week. Subscribe now, hit the like button to support my weekly couponing deals and help support my channel. And I just want to make sure I mention Dollar General does their price increases every Tuesday, so make sure you double check your prices before you go to the store on Saturday. Super important. I also want to say thank you so much to all of my amazing Patreon subscribers. You guys are so awesome. I absolutely adore you. If you're interested in joining my Patreon membership, the link is down in the video description. It'll take you over my Patreon page. You're going to find all the information you need there. For a small monthly fee every month, you gain access to a bunch of couponing benefits on my Patreon page, including my complete deals list every week. I write a lot of coupon deals every week, and there's just no time there's no way I have enough time to post them all here on my YouTube channel, unfortunately. So joining my Patreon page is an easy way to gain access to all of my deals. So let's get started with the first deal. For our first deal, grab 2 boxes of Colgate Total toothpaste, 1 Colgate Optic White toothpaste, 1 Febreze Air Effects, 1 Febreze plug-in, and 1 of the Airwick plugins. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $25.25. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that, our total out of pocket comes down to just $7.90 plus tax. That is a total savings of $17.35. Awesome deal to stock up on toothpaste. For our second deal, grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, 1 Febreze plug-in, 1 Eucerin lotion, and 1 of the Swiffer Pet dry refills. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $26.50, and then after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $8.70 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $17.80. I absolutely love coupon deals where our savings is double what we actually pay out of pocket. Absolutely love couponing. Now, I personally plan on doing the third couponing deal because I recently realized that my husband's stash of body wash in my stockpile was getting unusually low, and we just can't have that here at LoveLiveSave. So for our third deal, grab 1 Febreze Air Effects, 3 bottles of Old Spice body wash, 1 of the Febreze plugins, and 1 of the Airwick plugins. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.25. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $8.90 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $16.35. I can't wait to do this one and finally replenish my stockpile for my husband. Our fourth couponing deal, grab 1 Eucerin lotion, 1 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, and 1 of the Zarbee's chest rubs. Awesome product, boy. If you have kiddos, awesome product. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.25, and I have absolutely no idea why I had so many couponing deals this week that came to exactly $25.25 before coupons. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $8.75 plus tax, so that's a total savings of $16.50. Our fifth couponing deal helps you to stock up on some awesome skincare products. Grab 1 of the Febreze plugins, 1 Febreze Air Effects. Sorry, I stumbled on my words. 1 of the Neutrogena acne washes, a clean and clear scrub, and 1 of the Crest Brilliance toothpaste. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.45, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $9.35 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $18.10. Another great deal that we are saving twice as much as we are actually spending out of pocket. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer with this deal. I know it is a over $10 barely deal, but I tried really hard to get it under $10. I still think it's a really great one. It's only over by 60 cents, so I deemed it worthy to stay in the video. So for our sixth deal, grab 1 bag of Splenda, 1 tub of Tide Pods, 1 Febreze Air Effects, and 1 Febreze plug-in. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.20. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $10.60 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $14.60. This one also is a little over $10, but totally worth it. Totally staying in the video. For our seventh deal, grab 1 of the Airwick plugins, 1 bag of Gain Flings, a Swiffer Duster Starter Kit, a can of microban spray, 1 Febreze Air Effects, and 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $27.25, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $10.20 plus tax. That is a total savings of $17.05. Totally worth it to stock up. For our 8th couponing deal, grab 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion, 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, a can of microban spray, and 1 of the Airwick plugins. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.75, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $9.50 plus tax, so that's a total savings of $17.25. I'd like to call my 9th couponing deal in this video My son is in preschool and keeps bringing home cooties, and I would like to make it easier on everyone involved in my house and help prevent future cooties deal. So for our 9th couponing deal, grab 1 box of the Zarbee's Chest Scrub, awesome product by the way, 1 box of Airborne tablets, 1 box of Crest Brilliance toothpaste, and then finally 1 of the Febreze plugins. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.95. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $9.65 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $16.30. For our 10th couponing deal, grab 1 of the refill packs of the Dollar Shave Club razors, 1 Eucerin lotion, 1 box of Colgate Optic White toothpaste, a Febreze Air Effects, and a Febreze plug-in. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28.25, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $9.15 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $19.10. What an awesome deal to stock up for the bathroom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's deals. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way to help support my channel and make it so that I can keep posting deals videos for you every week. Also, while you're there, make sure you click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my future deal videos, of which this week I have a lot of deal videos to share with you, I've been working really hard. Or I do one of my couponing after dark live chats that I do multiple times a week, you'll receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.